Maya pag-abak po, kay kayo kabalen, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. And then, of course, we welcome this 2024 with another weekend of basketball dito po sa Delta Cup. This is just our 6th playing day, dating back November, at marami pa po tayong mga elimination games na mangyayari dito sa Delta Cup. We're coming to you live from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Magandang umaga po, ako po yung lingkod muli, Ryan Paro, doing the call for this 6 games. In our first game of 6, it's gonna be Arayat versus Mexico. Of course, we're gonna focus these two players that will feature now on camera. Of course, unahin muna natin itong Arayat. Itong malaking mama na ito na jersey number 21 na ipapakita natin sa screen in just a short while is the guy who's almost averaging double-double sa kanyang performance. We're talking about this guy, the big guy, number 21 ng Arayat. And ang importante dito sa Arayat, kailangan mag-dominate nila ang board. Samantala naman ng Mexico, isang focus player natin dito is he's one of the top scorers. Yan po ang jersey number 9. Mamaya makikita natin yan sa screens natin. And a very important thing, yan, si Mungkal. Unahin muna natin si Mungkal sa Arayat. Like what I said just a while ago, Mungkal is the guy who almost averaging double-double with regards to points and rebounds. Kailangan niyang kanyang presence para lang sa ganon, makalaban ang Arayat pagdating sa rebounding and scoring. Punta naman tayo sa kabila sa Mexico. We will have a focus player in just a moment. Importante dito sa Mexico is that since marami silang mga quick players, they're gonna try to capitalize with regards to fast break. Ayan po si Garing, who averages almost 2 steals per game and also had 4 assists. Yung kanyang scoring medyo nag-dip nung past 3 games, but for sure in this particular game, kung gusto manalo ditong Mexico, kailangan gumana ang scoring ni Garing. And of course, our referees for this ball game, for this first game of 6, we have Arnold Lazaro, Andrew Fabelico, and Willie Hibe. And in just a moment, we're going to give you the starting 5 of both squads. We're going to show you that on screen. And of course, coming up next, of course, yung ating laban, unang laro, Arayat versus Mexico. Again, this is game 1 of 6 ng ating Delta Cup. At libre po dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. And we're gonna start the game in a few moments. Yun na po ang buzzer to signify the start of the games for this morning. And of course, nandito na po ang ating starting 5. Simulan natin sa Mexico. We have Nakpil, Liantos, Meneses, Pascual, Baluyot. For Arayat, we have Canlas, we have Manalang, Dalusong, Dialia, and of course the number 4 player. Again, ulitin natin ang mga referees natin, si Arnold Lazaro, Andrew Fabelico, and Willie Hibe. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Where we are in the world, we are live in our 2 platforms. That's the Pampanga Information Office. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this Delta Cup is powered by Sinag Liga Asia. Mamaya-maya darating ang ating commissioner, si Commissioner Leo Isaac, as we finally start this 2024 para sa ating Delta Cup. Remember, alam niyo po, itong BREN GUIAO Convention Center, simula pa nung 1998, nag-champion ang Pampanga Dragons. At ito nga, nakikita mo sa mga karatula natin, champion na naman ang Pampanga. Ibig sabihin, this venue is a pedigree of champions. As we see almost a first basket there for Mexico. At yun na nga, naka-score ang unang punto, si Liantos. Tuto natin Instagram. You can see the score and the time on your screens. Ang unang kabuslong Mexico, ang Arayat po, wala pa pong score. We're opening minute in the first quarter. Mamaya, papanda rin yung aircon. Nasaan kaya si Alan, no? Hindi ko makita. Samantala, nakabasket dito ang Arayat by Canlas. Hindi pa ramdam ng aircon. Naku, baka mamaya yung equipment natin na mag-iinit. Alright. Ito na po ang Mexico. Medyo maganda kanilang opensa. Halos lahat ng mga player nagpapasahan. Maganda ang ball movement. Tingnan natin. On the right side, nice pump fake. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Nice dish! Kinuha sa tiyaga ang Mexico. Nakabuslo ng basket dyan. Si Nakpil. It is now 4-2 stick out. Carlas. Moves right. Punta sa Kanang bahagi muli. Tumira ng shot from 19. Mintis. Oy, nakakuha si Canlas off the boards. So Canlas now ties the game at 4 apiece. Si Baluyo nagsisigla ng play number 3. By the way, ang head coach ng Arayat ay si Eddie Castillo. Mamaya kukunin ko yung pangalan ng head coach ng Mexico. Samantala, mintis dyan ang Mexico. Takbo ngayon ng Arayat. Canlas na naman! Back-to-back baskets for Canlas. 6-4. Arayat ginugulat ng Mexico kasi mantakin nyo ang Arayat. Ang daming malalaki pepa. Mabibilis sila. Nako, yan, ito yung naalala niyo yung huling laro dyan? Yung sino bang tumina ng tres na yon? Buzzer beater. That's Lubao. Yung team Lubao, ganyan na ganyan lang nangyari. Talaga, alam mo, parang nahihinati ako sa mga ganyan. Mga inbound eh. In the meantime, fast break for Mexico. Hindi pumasok. And now Arayat will bring down the offense po yun. Mamaya-maya, marami tayong mga batian po. In the meantime, we have a foul. Very first foul in the ball game. Yan po sa Mexico. Ang matatawagan ay si number 2, Nakpil. His first personal. Ball possession na para sa Arayat. There's a screen by Manalang. Ito naman si Canlas. Look at that. 3 straight baskets for Canlas. Now sizzling hot in the first. Meneses gusto sumagot. Ito na naman ang Arayat. Takbo na naman. Pedals the brakes. Manalang sa kanang bahagi. Dalusong had no shot. Will try to innovate. But there's contact. Referees Arnold Dasaro Arcucci. False play. It's going to be out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa Mexico. Alam mo, sabi ni Rep Arnold Dasaro, ano sabi, Ryan, huwag mong sasabihin na nagkasama tayo kahapon. Yes, hindi ko sasabihin kung saan. Basta nagkasama tayo kahapon. Samantala, Baluyot in the midst of a aspiring rally by Arayat. Nice turnaround, but ayun, sabit. This is going to be the very first foul for Arayat. At ang matatawagan ay si number 6. It will be his first personal as well. And dito masusubukan ng mga free throws ng Mexico. As I check the stats of Mexico sa kanilang free throw percentage, hindi ganun kaganda pero hindi ganun kataas. They're shooting almost 70%. But that time, Llantos mintis sa kanyang unang free throw. Remember, this is just game 1 of 6. Meron pa tayong mga 5 laro pa. At meron pa po tayo bukas. And this, we still have more than 15 play dates remaining before the playoffs. And we have a rejection and the ball goes back. Babalik sa Arayat. 6.5 remaining dito po sa first quarter. 8-4 ating talan. Baseline drive. Naantala, nagawan. Pascual steals it para sa Mexico. And it's gonna be a traveling error. Ito yung, ito yung hinahanap ni Direk. Traveling. I haven't said this in a while. Back to live action. Canlas. Heat check yan. After 3 straight baskets. 6 minutes remaining. Is that counted? Yes. Basket counts. Gandang salaksak doon ng Mexico and matatawagan ng foul si number 15 ng Arayat. 3-point play opportunity. At yan ay si Meneses. Lane violation po. Babalik ang bola sa Arayat. Six minutes remaining in the first quarter. Arayat and Canlas so far has 6 points early in the first. Baseline drive. Stepping na naman. Eagle-eyed dyan si referee Arnold Nasser. Meron tayong substitution. 2 players ang papasok. Upo muna si Pascual. At upo rin si Baluyot. Ito na. Ang Mexico. Nako. Turnover. Fast break para sa Arayat. At meron ding turnover ang Arayat as Mondo calls for traveling. 8-6 ang ating talaan. 2 team fouls para sa Arayat. At meron isa ang Mexico. So take that giant scoreboard by Botet. Baseline. Hang time move. Nako, ang dukot. Masyado malalim. Nakuha muli ng Mexico at nagkakagirian sa loob at meron tayong foul. Foul will be, I believe it's number 15 uli yata kung di ako nagkakamali. Pero upo muna, merong substitution ng Arayat. Again, unang linggo pa lang ng Sabado, syempre yung mga marami tayong sa mga kabalin nasa bakasyon pa. Actually, si Gov Delta Pineda nasa abroad pa. Pero syempre, pabalik na yan dito sa Pilipinas in the coming days. Of course, he wants to enjoy the fruits of the labor of what a successful 2023 season for Pampanga basketball. Naging national champion sila. Talagang ngayon, itong grassroots program ni Gov Delta, gusto niyang palawigin pa. And we have a drive inside the paint na hindi pumasok. And the ball goes back to Arayat. 8-6 is our tally. 4:49. Oy, siya nga pala. Pasalamatan ko yung sa mga ibang liga. Salamat po kay Coach Atoy ko, si Sir Rapi Britannico. Naku, maraming salamat sa inyo. Alam niyo, natututo ako not only here in broadcasting but also sa officiating sa table. Alam mo, napakalaking bagay yung mga ganyang feedback na binibigay nyo sa akin last week. And I truly appreciate that. 10 seconds on the shot clock. The lead now is 4 for Arayat. And ito na si Llantos. Naku, nabitawan ng bola. Inside track. Drops it up. Perez scores. Doon nagkulang ang Mexico kasi yung huling dalawang play nila, laging nababasa yung opensa ng Mexico. Pero that time, they scored a basket. Malalang 3. Op, teka. Ayun. Buti nandun ang aking direktor para matabig yung bola. Baka sasabihin nyo, gusto pa mag-ano ako. Hindi, medyo malaki pa ang aking... I'm still overweight. I can't play yet. Back to live action. Mexico 8, Arayat 10. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 49. Glad to have you with us. This is game 1 of 6. Oh, great getaway by Perez using the glass. The score is 10-8. Approaching the 3-minute mark sa ating first quarter. Oh, nakalusot si Rodriguez underneath. This is our second deadlock. Tabla tayo sa G's. Of course, binabati ko rin yung isang table official natin, Arnold Bermeo. Nanonood ngayon. Hello. At saka si mamaya, sa Mamalakat, si Jonas Yao. Samantala, another basket for Mexico. That time, the lead is, or rather, the game is tied at 12 as Perez scored it. Balik sa Arayat na bola. Look at Canlas! Sumobra ang kanyang layup. Tenacity of the boards is manalang. And so far, si Canlas ay nagmimistulang siya ang focal point ng opensa ng Arayat as we have Manalang doing the supporting role as he connects the first of 2 free throws. Nako. Sir Alan, ba't wala pa rin aircon? Hindi ba binubuksan? I'm now perspiring for sweat here. Pati yung headset ko, dumadami yung pawis. 14-12 yung ating tala. Masaya lang kami dito sa D&D Media. Of course, kompleto ang ating barkada. Nandito ang ating overall in charge of production, of course, Direk Adriana, who had a successful Christmas party na ako wala doon dahil nagkasabay po yung Sinagliga Asia at yung party dyan sa Antipolo. It has been a magnificent party. A lot of prizes, a lot of giveaways, and a lot of, games na talagang tuwang-tuwa sila lahat. At syempre, yung after parties, alam niyo naman. In the meantime, Perez, once again, scoring at will. So, magandang matchup ito. This is the battle of Canlas and Perez. Both are top scorers for both. Perez already has 6. Canlas also has 6. Tied at 14 with 2 minutes remaining in the first. Canlas, he check yan. Perez, siya magtitimon para sa Mexico. He's swinging around on the left wing. Yung step back, di siya makaporma. Magandang depensa doon ng Arayat. 10 to shoot. Inside track. Perez, one-handed. Ayaw. They still get the ball back. Oh. Yan tinatawag na inutahan. Pascual outsmarting two Arayat defenders there. And they got the lead back 16-14 with a minute and a half. First quarter. Rodriguez with a fall away. Oh! Gandang tira yun. 16 apiece. This is our fourth deadlock. Ang ganda ang ating laban. Pascual spots. Wala. Perez can't get the rebound. And here's Arayat with the letter. Approaching na tayo sa 1 minute. Sabi niya, dandan muna tayo. From the baseline. Canlas na naman. Dalawang sunod na main test. Looks like medyo well spent na po si Canlas. Nako! Nabitawan na bola. Tinira niya. Nako, lumabas. Sometimes, sinuswerte yung mga ganong loose ball possession. Sometimes, if you just throw it up, there's a possibility that it went in. Doon ka. Upo muna. Wop. May timeout ba tayo? Do we have a timeout? Ayun. Okay, meron tayong timeout. Arayat and Mexico, we're tied at 16. Magbabalik po ang Delta Cup. Binabati ko pala ang isang matalik kong kaibigan na matagal ko nang hindi nakakausap. Andy Vergara is watching. Hello, good morning sa iyo, Andy Vergara. Back to live action. 10 on the shot clock. Eto, turnover. Ang Arayat tumatakbo na naman. Canlas! Sayang. 3 straight misses for Canlas. Arayat gets his number. 10-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Tabla pa rin tayo sa 16 and we have a foul. It's gonna be a hacking one. At ang tinawagan ng foul ay si number 5. That's it's that Paul. They still have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Oh, shoutout. Sabi ni Andy Vergara, pa-shoutout daw ang high school team ng Arellano University, Arellano Braves. As we see a basket there by Mexico. We're down to the final 10 seconds. 5 seconds. They need a shot. Rodriguez can't get it. 1 second to go. Buzzer sounds, the light sounds, at dyan po nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Arayat 18, Mexico 16. As we take a look at our first quarter highlights to you right now, as we see this very, very closely fought encounter, first quarter pala. Papakita namin sa inyo ngayon. Ito na po ang ating mga highlights. Here's the shot. What a pass there. Para sa Mexico yan, si Nakpil. At ito yung si Canlas. After the miss, he gets it right back for the stick back. At ito muli ang Arayat. Alley-oop to Rodriguez. Those are some of the highlights of first quarter. 18-16 ang ating talaan. Mexico up by 2. We'll be right back for the second quarter. This is Delta Cup. Okay, nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating kay Sir Alan. Ayan, pinapandan ng aircon dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. And of course, dumating na po ang ating butihing Commissioner Leo Isaac. Com Leo is in attendance. Hello, Com. Welcome 2024. Alright, second quarter underway now. Manalang and the rest of the guys. Medyo tikit ang ating laban. So far, Canlas has 6 points. Let's see if he continues to stride scoring. Shot will not work. Rebound. Mangalus. Ito na ang Mexico. Ang kanilang bunch play. Hindi pumasok. The reverse shot. Ayaw pa rin. That time, the white shirts, they're up and running. Ito na ang Arayat. Medyo nasubasob doon ang isang play ng Arayat, and Dunca will be forced to give up a foul. Dunca, his first personal. Ito maganda sa first quarter. Ito interesting stat dahil kadalasan kapag dikitang laban, laging nape-penalty. Pero ito first quarter, neither team gets in penalty. Both teams have 2 team fouls in the first quarter. That's a good sign. That means they play defense and at the same time, very efficient offense. Inside passing. Canlas nakalusot. Malakas. Putback. Di got it. Mongcal. Ito yung sinasabing focus player na sinasabi ko na double digit. And Mongcal, after the miss, gets the offensive rebound and 1 play. Ayan na. Our focus player for today, Mongcal. He just got 2 points and a rebound. So watch out this guy. A minute gone by sa ating first quarter. Mexico po naka-blue. Ang Arayat naman na naka-white. Corner 3. Ayaw. At ito na ang Arayat. Nagawa ni Perez. Perez drops it up. That shot is rejected by Mongcal. Great shot block. 3-point shot on the right wing. Ayaw. Offensive rebound by Mexico. Here's the 3 ball from top of the key. Walazin! That's Rivadilla. Sana nakabuslo ng 3-point shot. 8:19 remaining in the second quarter. 21-18. Here's the drive, the drop-off. Mongcal, walang maputan. Nilabas niya sa kanyang kakampi. Mintis ang 3-point shot from the corner. Perez, galloping down court. Atake, tuloy-tuloy. He got it. (22-18). The lead is 5. 7:51 remaining sa ating second quarter. Oops. Referee Arnold Lazo ng crew chief. May nakitang foul. At ang matatawagan ay si Cunanan. His first personal. At upo muna si Cunanan. Perez had a good first quarter. Tudot cut of himself. At si Santos ang nakapasok. 3-point shot on the left corner. Kapos. Rodriguez, nilabas kay Canlas. Canlas, nice save. The jumper, it's a no rather. Rivadilla, and the rest of Mexico team, lamang sila ng 5. Gusto nilang mayakyat yan. The lapas, the alley-oop play to perfection. That's what you call Rivadilla's picture-perfect play, high in the sky. At ang lamang ng Mexico ay 7. 25-18, 7-11 in the second quarter. Look at Rivadilla. Excellent hustle. As Rodriguez misses. Oh, Canlas. 8 puntos na. Just 1 field goal more and Canlas will be in double figures. 25-20. Rivadilla right down the baseline. The reverse. Smothered by Rodriguez underneath. So, merong sapal si Rodriguez at merong sapal si Mongcal. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina sa ating pre-game discussion, depensa sa loob ang magiging susi dito sa Arayat. 14 on the shot clock. Recycle ang offense dito ang Mexico. Dunca for 3. Maiksi. The drop-up. Rivadilla can't get it to go. At siyempre, binabati ko yung mga mentors ko sa broadcasting. Si Sep Sarmen. Uy, siya nga pala. iniimbitahan namin kayo kung gusto nyong maging aspired broadcaster tulad ko. We're gonna have a upcoming workshop this February 3 and 4, what we call Masterclass PH. Of course, ang magiging moderator dyan ay si Noel Zarate. Of course, ang mga guest speakers, Seb Sarmenta, Liza Diaz, Charlie Cuna, and others. That's February 3 to 4 at the SGS Auditorium in Araneta Avenue, Quezon City. So, to book a slot, please go to the page of Masterclass PH. And speaking of Facebook page, like and share nyo ang ating Facebook page on both Pampanga Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia. Of course, this Delta Cup is powered by Sinag Liga Asia. The score now, 27-22. We are almost a halfway point in the first half. Oh. And hey, Coach Leo, malapit na yung anniversary natin. Yung Mapua. Mapua will celebrate 100 years. Check that, it's 99th year rather. This coming January 25, just a year before the centennial. Viva Mapua. Santos and the rest of the Mexico team. Sayang yung potential alley play na Antala and Diala misses. And Carlas, the first player is for this ball game to score double figures. 10 points na si Carlas. 27-24, so he scored the 10 of the possible 24 points. Time down to 4 minutes and 55. Mga kabalin naman in the first half, susubukan kong basahin din yung messages. That's a long two converted para kay Rivadilla na unti-unting umiinit. He has 4 points. And, Coach Mike Perez, hello! Meron silang ipopromote ko na rin yung kay Coach Mike Perez, yung Manila Hustle. Tingnan nyo rin sa Facebook page yan. Talagang ito, dumadami na uli ang ating sports. Ang basketball. Hello kay Coach Mike Perez. Hello din kay Vincent Ventura. Ayan, sabi niya, good luck Team Mexico. Ayan. 4.5 remaining. At maraming salamat. 500 viewers na tayo Ganito palang kaaga. We are gonna have a timeout with 4:22. Mexico 29. Arayat 24. Meron tayong timeout. Magbabalik po tayo. Okay, patapos na tayo sa timeline. Siya nga pala, since this league is powered by Sinag Liga Asia, ngayong araw na ito, playoffs na ng Sinag Liga Asia quarterfinals sa One Arena Cainta. Boy, this is gonna be a blockbuster. Napakaraming games. We're gonna have 4 games for you. First game at 2 p.m., AO Kings versus MC Sports. Second game at 4 p.m., Cavite versus San Juan Kings. 6 p.m., Tatak Gel, Binyan Tatak Gel versus Tito Rex. And at 8, AMB Mamba versus Lion Saints. Oh boy, this is gonna be a blockbuster. Panoorin niyo po yan. Of course, yung mga kasama natin dyan, si Rowy Sacote, si Enzo Galarosa, si Pancho Alfonso. And of course, yung ating venue announcer dyan, si Rambalit. Hello. Of course, Boss Rocky Chan and Ray Alaw will be there sa One Arena in Cainta. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Hang time move. Nako, sumobra ang tira. Sumobra pektus. But Arayat almost turned the ball over. Natapik ng isang player ng Mexico. The ball will stay with Arayat. With 3:49 remaining, Mexico 29, Arayat 24. We're approaching now the halftime break. Just 3 minutes and 47 na lamang sa ating second quarter. Ito na. Daluso. Thought about it. Step back 3. Sapal! Great shot block by Liwanag. Maliwanag na maliwanag ang sapal Malinaw na malinaw. 3-point shot on its way. Swak na swak ang tres ni Santos. At the lead of Mexico, this is now the biggest lead, 8 points. Baseline drive. Can't get it to fall. And Vallescas clears the board para sa Mexico. So, daan-daan mo ng offense. Ito, libre na naman sa tres. Back-to-back threes. Converted by Santos. And suddenly, the lead is now 11 points. 35-24. Take a look at this. Instant replay with this 2 3-point bounce by Santos. We'll be right back. Back to live action with 3 minutes and 5 remaining. Again, my name is Juan Paro. And we're back here in Delta Cup. And sabi nga ni Commissioner Leo Isaac, marami po tayong play dates. We still have 15 plus more play dates before we end the elimination run, because we have a lot of teams really joining so far in this basketball. Oy, siya nga pala, batiin ko nga pala yung mga kasama natin dyan sa Kings of the Court, also watching Cholo Legispa. They're gonna have a playoffs also in Mandaluyong City. Samantala, meron tayong foul. That's Garing, who will be called for his first personal foul. Very few fouls tayo ngayon, ha? Napaka maganda defense, walang masyadong mga excessive contact. I really like this game. Both teams really want to win. First free throw is good. Makita natin dyan yung head coach ng Arayat na si Eddie Castillo. Serious look for his men as Bondok splits the charities. Serious look, bakit? Dahil, nako, dehado sila ng 10 points. 35-25. And that's the very first offensive foul of the ball game. At ang matatawagan dyan ay ang si Liwanag, number 23, his first personal foul. Okay, ang Mexico po ay meron ng 14 fouls. They are now wanting for penalty. And Arayat has 4. Arayat has 1 team foul, rather. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Eto nang salaksak. Pinilit ang tira. Wala. Yan ay si Bondok. Liwanag. Galloping down court. Bitin ang kanyang tira, but he was hacked in the air. It's going to be a hacking foul by Daluso. And that's going to be the second team foul for Arayat, and Daluso will be called for his second person. Tingnan natin itong nangyari kay Liwanag. Sumasakit. Ayun, pinangga. Alam mo, direct yan natin tawag ko na Banggan Special. Long crunching pick. Oy, si RB Laksa from TP Teleperformance. Jonas Reyes. Oy. Yan, mini-message ko na aking kapartner si Jonas Reyes. He will be doing the other league there in Mandaluyong. In the meantime, Mexico has it. They have an 11-point lead. 2 minutes remaining. What a spin inside the paint! Spin cycle by Santos. And suddenly, meron na siyang 8 puntos. All in the second quarter. Instant offense. 38-25. Baseline drive. Nako. Bago yung stepping na line, merong foul. And that will be against Liwanag. That will be his second personal foul. Ayan, nakita ng ating mga officials dyan. Let's see that again in slow-mo. 2 free throws now for Bondok. And Bondok already collected 4 points, matching his jersey. Ito po yung coaching staff ng Mexico dahil sa nakikita nila, nababasa nila napakalalim ng kanilang bench, pero nagpabaya dyan si Liwanag and Rional. They were called by the refs with a lane violation. So isa pang free throw dyan si Bondok. Wala nang bantay na lane violation pa. Ayun, 2 free throws na ipasok ni Bondok. 1:25 remaining in the second quarter. It's 38-27. Santos from Tamariki. They still have 10 seconds on the shot clock. Naantala na agawan. Santos amply recovered. Brings up the leader for the blue shirts. He has 8 points all in the second quarter. His teardrop didn't drop at meron tayong foul. And penalty na po. It's going to be foul against Mexico. So meron tayong dalawang free throw na i-award. So medyo natahimik yung ating focus players at Arayat. He only plays about 3 minutes or 4 minutes in this game. As Daluso misses the first free throw. And they trailing by 11. 27-38. Oh, he gets the rebound! Can you believe that? Sayang, nilang naipasok. Alley-oop play did not materialize. That could have been a highlight if he made that one, huh? 55 seconds before we call this a half. First game of 6 pa lang tayo. Pero ganito nakaganda laban. Samantala, another foul against Mexico. 2 more free throws will be awarded. And Garing will be called for his second personal foul. So Bondok, the last trip, he made both. The first trip, he splits. So he has 4 of 5 from the free throw line. 5 of 6. Efficient shooting by Bondok. And Mexico will sue for time. The score is 38-29. Magbabalik ang Delta Cup. Okay, back to live action, but binabati natin isa sa mga magagaling na table officials, si Nagdigan, also sa isa pang liga ay si Ervin Kayanan, also watching right now. Good morning. Again, we're coming to you live dito po sa Pampanga, BREN Convention Center. Our first play date of this venue for 2024. Kami ang unang ligang nakagamit dito sa taong ito. Sidestep move by Santos. Just rim out. Dazzling move. Gets it right back. Goes for the runner. No. Well, Santos is really a catalyst of this second quarter assault by Mexico. As Canlas will not be denied on that layup. 12 points for Canlas. Siya bumubuhay dito sa Arayat. Final 17 seconds. Patay na po ang ating shot clock. Last shot time. Or nakagaw na naman dito si Canlas. Going for 14! 7 seconds remaining. Garing with 4 seconds from the baseline. The drop pass. Nakakuha pa ng basket. And that should do it. 20 minutes of playing time is nothing short of tenacity for both teams as Mexico posted a 7-point lead, 40-33. We're going to have a halftime break. We're going to have the halftime highlights and also the scoring and my halftime analysis for this first set. This is Delta Cup, Game 1 of 6. Halftime po tayo, 40-33. Pakita natin sa inyo ang highlights. Mexico up by 7, 40-33. Let's show you now our halftime highlights. Let's start with this basket by Mexico. Nice getaway there by Perez. And then on the other side, ang nakuha ng offensive rebound, nakuha ng putback ay si Pascual. Para naman sa Arayat, of course, the hot streaking Canlas with a top fall-away jumper. Ay si Rodriguez pala yan. Of course, this guy, Canlas, has been superb. He has 14 points. Mamaya makikita natin yan sa ating leading score. And of course, kung meron Canlas, meron naman tong Santos. A great pirouette move to end the first half. Take a look at the top scores for both squads. Uy, 20 puntos na pala si Canlas. That's more than half of the production of Arayat. 20 points Canlas, Bundok with 5, Rodriguez with 4. Mexico, Perez with 12, Rivadilla with 9, Santos 8. And Santos, all of his 8 points coming in the second quarter. Ganun katindi. Siya nga pala, batiin ko. All the way from Singapore, nanonood si Dennis Pulido. Hello, Dennis. And to his lovely wife, Jessica Nadine, and his upcoming, meron silang 2 kids and upcoming another one. So, hello. Alam mo, Dennis, siguro pag nagbakasyon ako dyan sa Singapore, Bekeneman, usap tayo. We're gonna start on the third quarter. My name is Ryan Paro, and of course, Kapampangan ang pagbati ng UAE. Masaplalang Bayung Banwa 2024. Starting the game at the right note, and Pascual. At syempre, ang D&D production team, kanina nakita na si Alden Leon, nandyan si Jetro Miguel, si Balong na nasa taas, ating floor director si Philip, at of course sa mga instant replay camera natin. Samantala, para ma-recognize ko sila, sige, babasahin ko ulit sa iyo. I-ano natin sila, i-roll call natin sila. 3-point bomb converted para sa Arayat, courtesy of Bondok. 42-36. Lumalapit na naman ang Arayat. The drop pass inside, hang time, Dipsidu, wala. Put back Pascual. Great step back there. Okay, tuloy-tuloy lang. And I'll try my best to greet something here. Tignan natin yung mga viewers natin. Napakaraming viewers. Ito si Josie Timbol Meneses. Nagtatanong si MJ kung meron bang laro ang Lubao ngayon. I'm gonna answer that in just a few seconds. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Good question. 4 to shoot. Inside. 2 on the shot clock. Oh, look at that pass! What a play! He just tore it up. And Liantos is all alone. Okay, sa mga nagtatanong kung merong laro ang Lubao, yes, Lubao will be game number 5. 5th game sila mamaya. Ang makakalaban nila ay ang San Simon. And we gonna have a foul on the fast break. The Lusong will be called for that one. The score now, 46 Mexico, 38 Aray. Don't forget, at the end of the game, yours truly, Ryan Palo, will interview our best player of the ball game. Oy, binabati ko nga pala yung mga kasama natin dyan sa UNTV. Good morning, Kuya. Happy birthday. Belated happy birthday kay Aray Mariano. One of the artists, sought after young artist, as we see a 3-point play opportunity for Mexico. He has done a lot of successful wish date mini movie concerts, and also product endorser, and also a chef. Multi-talented young lady. She just turned 26 a few days ago. Happy birthday, Ira. Perez converts a 3-point play opportunity. Speaking of wish, bukas meron silang Wish Music Awards after ng Delta Cup. Yung mga nasa Maynila nanonood, pwede kayong pumunta sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. 7th or 9th Wish Music Awards hosted by Christian Bautista and Inka Magnaye. 49-38, 2 minutes gone by. Ang ganda ng pasa ng Mexico. Perez scores. So far, Perez gumaganda ang kanyang scoring. Again, yung mga Singaporeans, si Dennis Pulido nanonood na. Mintis dito ang Arayat. Fast break na naman ng Mexico. Exactamente ang pasa. Liantos. Spin, stirs, hang time move. Caught itself into deep. Pero sabit si Diala. Sabi ni Jerome Enriquez, pa-shoutout kay Rudy Bondok. Rudy Bondok pala yan, no? Yung number 4 player ng Arayat. Ano? O, shoutout daw si Kim Ramel Gumamon. Uy, meron tayong viewer from North America. Si Kent Russell Daya watching from Ontario, Canada, USA. Wow, we are now global. Look at that. Nakakatuwa na ang Delta Cup ninyo ay napapanood ng mga Pilipino saan panig ng mundo. Ay, we're so happy to have you with us. Of course, Delta Cup powered by Sinag Liga Asia. 53-38. 7:19, third quarter. Ikot ang bola dito ang Arayat. Baseline drive, nowhere to found. Bondok on the outside, 7 to shoot. The drop pass. Bitin si Diala. Nagkulang. Eliantos will pay them dearly with his fast break. Oh! He blew it. Sinayang ang pagkakataon. And we're gonna have a foul. Oy, aking mga magulang, Tony Paharon, Letty Paro, hello po mami, daddy, love you, miss you. We'll see you next week. Nangingi sila ng pasalubong from Pampanga. Tingnan natin, ha. Hello, ma'am. Nanonood siya ngayon. Samantala, sidestep. Got it to go. Of course, yung mga nandyan sa It's Cubao, galing ako dyan a few days ago, ha. Kita tayo ulit next week. Nanonood si Vicente Perez. 6:33 remaining. It's now a Breakers dozen 13-point lead. Uy, bangga yun, bangga. Napaka-sharp ang tawag ni referee Arnold Lazaro. And Diala will be called for his third personal foul. Upo muna si Diala. Medyo nagkulang kanyang opensa. Yung kanyang mga fouls, hindi niya masyado nasusukat. He is the first player to incur 3 fouls. As we see Mexico's imposing play at will. Naku! Ganda naman ang dukot ni Perez, pero hindi lang pumasok. Bondok drops it up. Canlas, ball of stop. Play resumes with Arayat with 18 on the shot clock. JC Valdez watching. Hello. Ito na yung mga stop natin sa UNTV. Hello kayo dyan. Busy sila bukas. Yan, binati ko na. JC Valdez, one of our technicians. And we'll see you hopefully by Wednesday sa Paco. Canlas misses the 3. And with 6 seconds to the shot clock, of course, yung mga aking mga mentor, Sepe Sarmenta, Coach Ronnie Magsanot, Lina Villamor Camara, Rex Trinidad. Nanggaling si Rex Trinidad kagabi sa Manila Hotel. Hello. At sa kanyang girlfriend. Fast break for Mexico. Here it comes. Nakpil consummates. And look at this. Mexico now imposing the biggest lead at the 5-minute mark of the third quarter, 55-40. Nagkukulang dito ang Arayat sa transition defense. Malalaki na ang Arayat, tinatakbuhan pa. At to compound the woes for Arayat, there's another traveling. 55-40. The lead is 15. Time down to 5 minutes and 27 sa ating third quarter. Mexico so far has all the answers to the questions. Can they really impose a dominating performance? So far, a big yes. But the big question, can they do it all the way till the end of this ball game as Liantos adds another scoring bench? The lead now is 17, 57-40. Time down to 5 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Mahirap na tira. Pinilit. Walang napuntaan. Liantos once again against leading defenders. Great passing play. Amazing. Liantos out-sprinting everybody. 59-40. Kailangang gumising dito ang Arayat. Unti-unti na silang nalulubog. 19 ang kanilang hinahabol. Canlas must to start something. Only 2 seconds on the shot clock. Shot from the corner. Beating the shot clock buzzer, but it won't drop. Put back inside the paint in vain. And again, Liantos and the rest of the Mexico team really dampering the hopes of Arayat as they now establish a 21-point lead, 61-40. We have a ceasefire. Saka pala, binabati ko yung mga kasama natin sa charity basketball dyan sa Caloocan. Nagpapabati si Officer in Charge, Robin Eliezer Dizon. And of course, yung mga staff dyan, yung KSP, kaibigan sa pangalan. Hello sa inyo dyan. 61-40. 4 minutes and 14 remaining. Bondok. Umaalat ang shooting ng Arayat. Mukhang yung kanilang intensity bumababa. Samantalang Mexico, talagang they're now oozing and cruising with confidence. At ito na, batiin na natin ang ating mga production team. Si Director Jetro Bautista, Cameraman Balong Morano, Lanzo Blay, Alexandro Trazo, Floor Director Israel Andy Maliwat, our Production Assistant Philip Obenza, Graphics is Luis Manabat, and the replay highlights is Wenzy Pledina. Oy, ang aking partner! Isa sa aking mga partner sa broadcasting. We started this 5 years ago and you deserve a natal day. Happy birthday, Alvin Jan Tanyada, isa sa mga napakasipag na ating tao dito sa not only in Delta Cup but to the Sinag Liga Asia family. Happy birthday sa iyo. You deserve this natal day. Ayaw mo. Yung kulang mo sa akin, okay na yan. It's all yours. Alvin, happy birthday. Love you. 3 minutes remaining. Rodriguez and the rest of Arayat still groping for form, and they lost every opportunity presented itself. And that time, Rodriguez rejected the shot of Pascual, and so far, Mexico talagang makikita mo sa kanilang offense, everybody contributing immensely. Ito na naman si Llantos. That time, he checked. Nakakuha ng agaw dito, Mexico. We're approaching the 2-minute mark. Dalusong clears the board. Dalusong needs to spread ahead of this attack. But he was hijacked in air, and there's going to be a foul. Ayun, sabi ni Kim Ramel Gumabon. Shout out. Oo, Erwin, medyo tambak ang laban dahil nagsimula yan kay Santos and then kay Llantos. All the toss. Santos, Llantos, those are the top two offensive thrust for Mexico, spread-headed with its 23-point bubble, 65-43. Time down to 2 minutes and a half remaining. This is only game 1 of 6. Nako, lane violation yata ito. Ay, hindi, may foul, sabi ng ating referee. That's referee Willie Hibe. So the other referee there is Andrew Fabelico. A steal again for Mexico, and once more another fast break finish courtesy of Baluyot. The lead now is 24, 67-43, approaching the 2-minute warning. O, sabi ni Gilmer dito, si Santos pala yung nakascore ng 8 putos per sub. MVP pala siya ng Inter Barangay, isa sa mga barangay sa Mexico. Eto na si Santos! Yes sir! Kababanggit ko lang. 10 points for Santos, 8 in the second, now 2 in the third. 69-43 so far. Lumalayo ng unti-unti ang Mexico. 26 na to. Matamis na 26. At sobrang nahihirapan ng Arayat at all conceivable angles, whether inside or outside. They can't get the shots falling. Ayun, sabi ni Ronquillo Lot, Mexico, love, siyempre. Eto na naman, Santos. Sidestep, the hang time move. Beautiful! 8 points in the second, 4 in the third. He has 12. Ayun, sabi ni Jeril Garcia, go Santos. At nagpapakita na siya ng kanyang fast break prowess again. 14 si Santos. Renta na ang abante, 73-43. So far, it has been a shutout. It's been all Mexico, all blue basketball we're seeing now. Time down to 8 on the shot clock, and Canlas lost its touch, lost its rhythm. Maganda ang kanyang umpisa, pero no second half, he has been checked by the defense of Mexico. Samantala, meron tayong foul sa ilalim. Oh, we have another viewer from Asia Oceania. Ito Rene Tanieses watching all the way from South Korea. Aba, anong sayo? Anong sayo? Parang nagta-travel around the world pag may nakita ko mga nanonood na tayo dito sa Facebook Live. And here comes Santos with his fast break brilliance. Naubusan na ako ng salita sa galing ni Santos. He has been an instant offense maker. Nako, si Canlas, malapitan na, niluwa pa. Time down to 33 seconds. Once again, another bounce pass. The reverse layup didn't drop. Rivadilla says, let's settle down. Crossover. Baseline drive. Dipsy do. Foul sa ulo. And that last foul will be against Rodriguez. O yan, sabi ni Jaylee Garcia, Aaron Santos, kalmahan mo si Sis, so galing. Aaron Santos, 14 points, 8 in the second, 6 in the third. He's the second backup scorer for this team. Rivadilla, nako, may mga box out na. Pero na ipasok ni Rivadilla, one-handed. Last shot time before we end this third. The Luzon and the rest of Arayat, they need to think twice because this is a really, really deep 31-point mountain to climb. Tumingin na si Canlas. Finally, he made a basket. Last shot time, 2 seconds to go. Santos will let it fly! And that should do it. Third quarter is history. 75 for Mexico, Arayat 46. Pakita natin direct ang ating mga third quarter highlights, please. Para sa kapakinabangan ng ating mga Facebook viewers. We see this pump fake release, 3-point shot good para kay Bondok, but it was Santos who delivered with this basket. Ay si Perez pala yan with a 3-point play. And can we see Santos highlight? Here it comes. The alley-oop play. Those are some of the highlights of the third quarter. We'll be right back for the fourth. This is Delta Cup. Again, maya paabag kayo kabalen. Masaplang Bayung Banwa, of course, 2024. Our very first sporting event for 2024 here in this venue is the Delta Cup of Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Again, Gov Delta, congratulations. You have been successful sportsman and the head of this province, and you deserve that vacation. And hopefully in the coming days, kita-kita tayo Gov Delta. 76-45. My name is Ryan Paro, coming to you live from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Dahil 31 puntos, I'll try my best to greet some of the viewers. Ayun, nanonood po si Nathaniel Yao. Ay, si ano pala, nanonood ngayon, si Jonas Yao. Mamaya, maglalaro ang kanyang team, mabalakat. Jerwin Cruz, Pyron Quinto. Yes, Ronky Lulot, may laban ng Lubao. Makakalaban nila San Simon. They will be on the 5th game for today. As we see Reonal, only in the 4th case of traveling. 76-45. Yung si Meneses, nagugustuhan niya pag sinasabing traveling. Ngayon, binabati na kita yung player ng Mexico, si Meneses. 9.5 minutes remaining and ladies and gentlemen, we seeing another fast break finish for Mexico, courtesy of Dunaga. So masasabi natin dito, kagaya ng sinabi ng the late LA Lakers broadcasters Chick Hearn, 78-45 with a 33-point lead, pwede natin sabihin na this game for Mexico is in the refrigerator. The door's closed, the eggs are cooling, the butter's getting hard, the gel's trickling. Medyo improbable na itong mabalik na, lalo na halos hindi na masyado nakakabalik ang Arayat, nagte-turnover pa at marami silang namimintis ng tira. Ayun, sabi ni RV Abal, Ken Trussel, Duya, Arayat, Manyamot, Ken. Okay lang yan. There are a lot of games na makakabawi dito ng Arayat. Nakakaintindi ako ng konting Pampanga, pero di ako pasyado pang marunong. Hindi pa ako fluent sa lingwahe ng mga Kapampangan sa mga gateways of Central Luzon. 19 na shot clock. Diala nakalusot pero hindi na ipasok ang tira with a very tricky interior defense there by Mexico. Santos nilabas muna kay Rional. 3-point shot by Garing. Can't hit the target. The spin by Rional. He gets it right back, puts it up. Foul. Pakita natin sa Mexico na talagang they're gonna chalk up this W for now. Uy! Si referee Jong Banayad Jr. nanonood ngayon. Yes. Mukhang siya'y pipito bukas. Tama ba, referee Jong? Kita tayo bukas. Pipito yata dito. Oh, kasi ngayon si Jong Banayad siyang pipito ngayon sa Sinagliga sa One Arena Cainta. Okay, may nagtatanong, meron bang laban ngayon ang home team natin, ang San Fernando, Pampanga? Let me check the schedule for you. Alright. For today, San Fernando will be probably tomorrow. Tomorrow ba? Okay, tingnan natin yung schedule ng San Fernando. Habang ang laro natin is 82-45, time down to 7 minutes and 37 remaining in this ballgame. Okay, mukhang wala ngayong Sabado. Tingnan natin sa Linggo. Okay, sa Linggo, they're gonna be first game. Ang San Fernando will be first game tomorrow. First game at 8 a.m. They will be facing Candaba. So, ulitin ko lang yung mga San Fernando fans natin. San Fernando, the home team, will face Candaba on the first game tomorrow at 8 a.m. Okay, 83-46. We're down to the final 7 minutes of this ball game. Si Eric Cabrera, nagtatanong, may laban ba ang Apalit ngayon? I think yes. Let me check kung pang ilang laro sila for today para sa Apalit. Apalit, they're gonna be next game after this. Apalit will be going up against Bacolor after this match. So, stay tuned lang po. Apalit susunod na. Bacolor ang makakalaban. 6:40 remaining. The lead now is 33 points, 83-50. This game is already settled as Bondok clears the board with only 50-point output. This is one of the lowest outputs sa Arayat because they're averaging 65 points per game. So, makita natin yung depensa. Kasi ang Arayat, they're averaging 65 points. Ngayon, 50 lang sila. So, nagkulang sila sa scoring. 5 on the shot clock. They can't capitalize that basket. Another defensive rebound. Rarity. Here's Pare. First basket for Pare. Okay. I will check the team standings of Mexico in a short while. Babalikan kita dyan, Sidon. Good question. Drop pass inside. Here's the drive, Dunka. The spin, the turnaround, got it. $85-52. Make that 87-52. Instant steal, instant basket by Mangalos. 5:37 remaining. Looks like Mexico will get this game. At ang ating mamaya, in the 3-minute mark, ang aking floor director dito tatakbo. Titingnan natin kung sino yung best player of the ball game. And of course, the league is powered by Sinagliga Asia. Kanina in-announce ko po para sa ating mga kapanahan na viewers na nanonood ngayon sa Cainta yung mga games natin sa One Arena. Quadruple header po yan. Quarterfinals ng Sinagliga Asia Lakas 40. At of course, nandito sa venue si ating Commissioner Coach Leo Siak. Sa Sinagliga naman, nandyan mamaya si Chairman Wak Chan. And of course, President Ray Alao. Alright, yung focus player natin kanina, si number 21, ay bumalik sa laro after playing only 4 minutes. That's Mungkal. 3-point shot, got it! Oh yeah! Mexico is on the brink of century mark. They just need 10 points away. Ito na yung sa mga paborito kong nakausap kanina, si Meneses. Pwede ko siyang katsawan. Matatravel ba si Meneses? Hindi naman siguro. Dunka. Fires. Connects. Awesome shooting by Mexico. They're shooting over 50%, that's for sure. 93 to 54, we're down to the 4-minute and 44 mark in this final quarter. Okay, nagtatanong si JR Licodoni, may laban bang Lubao? At kung may laban ng Guagua, nagtatanong si Gui Santiago. Sagutin natin yan in a few seconds. Lubao and Guagua. Alright, for Lubao, Lubao will be game 5. They're playing against San Simon. Guagua, they're going to be third game today against Milan. So abangan niyo po. Guagua will be on the third game. Lubao will be on the fifth game. Baluyot with another fast break finish. It is now 95-54. We're approaching the 4-minute mark of this ball game. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook pages, Pampanga Information Office, and of course, Sinagdiga Asya. 3-point shot. Okay. Baluyot. Score the basket. Well, kung, mga kaibigan ko, kung tatanungin nyo, although marami tayong mga galing na scores dito sa Mexico, but one player that stood out is the 8-point scoring of Santos, Aaron Santos, and he continued that in third quarter. Yung 8 points na yan, yung cluster points na yan, dun umalagwa ang Mexico sa 15-point lead, 20-point lead hanggang ngayon. Papunta na sila sa 100. Dadakdak ba yan? Yes! Slam dunk for Liantos. And Liantos says, salamat. 99-54. They're having fun, that's for sure. Uy, batiin ko lang yung isa sa mga cosplayers na nanonood. Si Yuko Ishikawa, good morning. Puyat pa yan kagabi. Alright. 3 minutes to go in this ball game. And a miss by Arayat. And Mexico already reaching the century hurdle. This game is already over. And ito, dadaktak na si Lantos. Bawal lumambitin. Bawal lumambitin. Sabi ng referee, technical si Lantos for hanging in the rim. Bawal yan. And si Lantos, sabi ng coach, okay, pahinga ka na dahil may technical ka na, hindi ka na pwedeng bumalik. Tawa ng tawa si Lantos. Sabi ni Lantos, sorry coach, sorry coach. Oh boy, look at the guys of Mexico. They're now having high fives, low fives. 101-54. Tama lang ginawa ni crew chief Arnold Lazaro kasi talagang bawal yun sa FIBA. Hanging the rim too long, it's illegal. You'll be called for technical at that. Alright, with 2 minutes and 49 seconds remaining, pinaglalabanan na ating final score. Later on, we will check the official record of Mexico for this ball game. So far, this is one of the dominating performance. Ito yung isang referee natin, si Andrew Fabelico, kumukonsulta kay Coach Leo. Okay, coming up next sa mga nag-aabang na ating mga kabalen dito sa Delta Cup. Our second game will feature Apalit versus Bacolor. There's our commissioner, Leo Isaac. Proud Mapuan, just like me, yours truly, Viva Mapua. And again, congratulations to Mapua Cardinals. Last year, they bagged the runners-up trophy. We just bowed to San Beda on that trailing third game sa Araneta Coliseum. Hopefully this year, makabawi sila sa season 100. Canlas missing the three-pointer. And Canlas, after a 10-point first half, he scored only 4 in the second half. And Bernal, this is just icing on the cake for Mexico. They already had 103 points, only 54. Ayun, magandang galaw. Ayun. Ating focus player finally scoring his only 4th point. 3-point shot won't go. Meneses. Sumabit, pero walang foul. Isa pa. Hindi na tinawagan. Sabi ni Meneses, ba't di mo ako tinawagan, ref? Last 2 minutes na po tayo. of this ball game. And later on, Mexico will check their win-loss record as we see a miss, and this game is over. Again, sa ating mga kabalin, second game natin, Bacolor versus Palit. Alright, they're just gonna play some time, buying some time, as Dunca gets the offensive rebound after the best. And of course, again sa mga Facebook viewers natin, maraming salamat sa pagtutok ninyo dito sa Delta Cup as we see a basket there by Dunca, and that's a 3-point shot that he made. Yon, binati ko na si Yuko Ishikawa. And si Eric Cabrera, pa-shoutout kay Rica Intal, nanonood habang nasa trabaho for this Saturday. 1 minute remaining before we end this ball game. And the Ala misses a 3-point shot. Santa Ana, nagtatanong si Byron Yao, may laro ba Santa Ana? Let's check it out. For Santa Ana, we're just down to 45 seconds of this game. Tingnan natin. Santa Ana, they're gonna be tomorrow yata. Tama ba? Tomorrow. We'll check it out. Sandali. Okay. 27 seconds to go. 108 to 56. The game is now called off. And both parties now doing exchanging shake hands and high fives, low fives, and the coaching staff already shook hands. Final score po natin, Arayat 56 and 108 points for the win. Mexico winning convincingly in this ball game. And in just a minute, we're going to interview for you our best player of the ball game. Yan na po ang ating final score, 108-56. Magbabalik po ako. Interviewin ko po si Aaron Santos, ang ating best player of the ball game. Sound check. Dominating performance by Mexico laban sa Arayat, 108-56. Ating best player of the ball game, Aaron Santos with 14 points, 8 in the second quarter. Aaron, paano mo nakuha yung buong kumpiyansa ng Mexico nung nakascore ka ng 8 sunod na puntos sa second quarter?
Yun lang po, tiwala lang po sa sarili ko. Binigyan na rin po ang kumpiyansa. Sa practice pa lang po sinabi nila, gawin mo lahat ng gusto mong gawin. Kunin mo lahat yung kumpiyansa mo sa laro natin na to kasi bukas talagang medyo maigpit yung laro natin.
Aaron, speaking sa sinasabi mong higpit, alam natin yung mga top teams, mga top tier teams dito sa Delta Cup, talagang kukuyugin ka, magiging busy ka laban. Paano mo ito magpapaghandaan? At ano pa mga facet of the game na kailangan mo pang ma-improve?
Iwas pressure po yun. Iwas lang po sa pressure. Foreign pass, ganyan, walang lap pass.
Aaron, dahil ikaw ang best player of the ball game, maaaring pwede ka na bumati. Magpasalamat sa mga kabalin. Go ahead.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa lugar ng Mexico. Mayor din po, maraming salamat po sa support na ninyo.
Aaron Santos, congratulations. Best player of the ball game ka. Dagong salamat. Coming up next is going to be Palit versus Bacolor for our game 2 of 6. This is Delta Cup.